Happy New Year! That's right, it's a Lunar New Year, so if you're following the New Year festivals, then you know it's under the Chinese Zodiac, it's the year of the rabbit. So that's what we're going to be drawing today, a super cute rabbit. So all you need is a pen, some paper and something to colour in with. So I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so let's start drawing a rabbit. I think we're going to draw some ears on the top. Some nice round ears like that. You can make them short or long, floppy, whatever you like. And then in the middle there, we're just going to draw another, kind of like a bit of an oval shape, like that. That's just the inside of his ear. We'll colour that differently. And then to the side, we'll do another ear. We're going to do it a little bit on an angle, and then say, draw another circle in there. Cool. So if you make the shape a little different, it just makes it look interesting. And then we're going to connect the two together. So that's the top of his head. Now we're going to draw the rest of the head. Now the head is kind of an oval shape. We're going to leave it a little bit open at the bottom, because that's where we're going to draw some hands. So draw one side like that to about here, and then we stop, and then we do the other side there as well. Alright, so the rabbit we're going to draw, he's kind of cheering, he's kind of excited, it's a new year, so he's going to have his hands up in excitement. So we're just going to draw
a big U.
Yeah, kind of a big U like that.
Upside down U.
Yeah, that's right. And then we're going to draw two little lines like this, because that's his sleeve. So he's kind of wearing a red jacket, a kind of traditional Chinese red jacket, and he's going to have like golden sleeves there as well. And then we'll just do the same on the other side. Great, and all you do is close up that little gap in the middle there, like that. Okay, so let's draw the rest of his face, or her face. Now I'm going to draw mine with my eyes closed, because she's very excited and happy for the new year. If you wanted to, you can also give it some eyelashes as well. Yep. And then in the middle, we're going to draw a small oval for its nose, because it's got a cute little bunny nose. And then we're going to do a big smile. You can just do a smile like a line like that, or you can do an open mouth smile. I think that looks nicer, looks a lot happier. And just draw a curve in there for its tongue. Already looks very excited and happy for the new year. Alright, so let's draw the rest of the body. So I'm going to draw two lines coming down the side, like that. And then we're going to join the two lines together, and we're going to make it a bit of a curved line there. Great. And draw some legs, just in the bottom there. Nice round shapes. And then on the side, it doesn't matter which side, you can be on the left or right side. We're just going to draw another curve there for his or her tail.
Yep.
Alright, now let's draw some details on the jacket that the rabbit is wearing. So I'm going to draw a little line here along the top. Yeah, and we'll draw one along the bottom as well, maybe a little bit thicker. And then in the middle, we're going to draw three ovals. 1, 2, 3. These are kind of the buttons holding the jacket together. And then behind that, we're just going to draw a line there, because that's where the jacket would open, kind of like a zipper. Yeah. And there we go. That is our rabbit. All done. So next part is to colouring.
And we're back.
Yeah, we're back. We've finished colouring in, and I think they look great. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
Yeah, what I've done with mine is I've gone over the black lines a little bit thicker, so you can do that, so it makes this character stand out. And what I've done with the colouring in, now with Chinese culture, especially in the new year, the lucky colours, or colours that bring good fortune, normally
red and yellow.
Yeah, red and yellow and gold, so that's what we'll kind of colour them in. But you can colour them in any colour that you like. And what have you done with yours?
I put some highlights here, then I put some shadows, and I put red and yellow.
That's great. And it kind of looks like he's jumping up in the air, celebrating the new year. That's great. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us today. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos for you to enjoy as well. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.